Here we go, we have a question largest pair sum. So our task is to find the largest pair sum in an array of distinct integers. So we need to find the maximum two values in an array and we need to return the summation of those two values. In this example, the largest two values is 34 and 40. So the summation is 74. In this test case, the largest two values is 20 and 30. The summation is 50. The output is 50. And in the constraint, it is pretty clear the minimum length of an array is 2. So I don't think it need an explanation. So let's directly jump into the coding part. We have two variables to store the maximum and second maximum value. We need a for loop, and if the current value is greater than maximum value, then the maximum value will get stored in a second maximum variable and the current value will get stored in a maximum variable. Else if the current value is greater than second maximum, then we need to store the current value in our second maximum variable. So at the end, just return the summation of those two values. Let's give it a try and let's talk about time and space complexity. In this function, the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is constant. I hope you have learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me. Subscribe to this channel and thank you all for watching.